Video is on command line. Command line is a really useful tool because we can execute commands such as creating folders, deleting folders. Just by typing on our keyboard, we don't have to worry about moving our mouse. So in order to do this, we're going to have to navigate to our command line tool, which in this case, I'm going to be using Terminal because it comes pre-installed on Macs. So if you have a Mac, you want to open up your terminal. If you have a Windows computer, then chances are that there is no pre-installed command line tool and you'll have to download that from the internet. Okay, so I can see from this side that we have a curly dash that indicates that I'm in my home directory, and my home directory is this. This is the name of the home directory. This gray box indicates that I can type in arguments. Okay, so one argument we can type in is pwd. Pwd tells me the path that the computer took to get to this point. So in order to get to home directory, the computer went through users and then went to my directory. If I want to see everything that is in the directory, I type in ls. So if we type in ls, we can see that the desktop is in my home directory, and so are my documents and all this other stuff. If I want an even more detailed version, I can do ls-l, and this tells you who created the folder, when it was created, the amount of space the folder uses. And if I want a different view, I can hit ls-a. So this will tell you all the hidden directories that are in your folder. So for example, if you see one dot preceding an item, that means it's hidden in your current environment. It's hidden in your current folder. If you see two dots, that means it's hidden in your parent folder. So let's say that I want to go to my desktop. So in order to go somewhere, you hit cd, and then you type in the location. So cd desktop. And then if I hit pwd, which is the path, I see that I have gone from users to my home directory to my desktop. If I want to go into the folder called EECS-183, I hit cd EECS-183, and now I'm in EECS-183. If I hit ls, I can see that we have two things in this folder. We have another folder called hello world, and we have a file called hello.cpp. If I want to remove a folder, all I have to do is type rmdir and then the folder name. In this case, it's hello world. Notice that I'm putting hello world in quotes because it's all one word, not two separate words. And this will remove the folder. If I want to add that folder back, I do mkdir and then the folder name, so hello world, again using quotes. And then I see that I now have a folder called hello world as well as hello.cpp, which is my file. So let's open hello.cpp. In order to do that, all we do is type in open and then hello.cpp. And this brings hello.cpp, and we can see that's just a simple program to print hello world. Okay, from here, we can try to create a new text file instead of creating a new folder. So in order to create a new file, we're going to do touch and then our new file name. So let's call it new.txt. And we see that it's getting added to our EECS-183 folder. We can also remove this by doing rm new.txt. Okay, so let's say I want to move my hello.cpp into my hello world project. In order to do so, I would just do mv, which is the move command, and then hello.cpp because that is my file. Unfortunately, I didn't specify a source in this case. So mv needs what you're moving and then the source you're going to. And because I didn't put in a source, I got in a message like this. So a lot of times when you get error messages, you just have to do some digging and figure out what's going wrong. So now I'm going to do mv hello.cpp. And then I'm going into my hello world folder, right? So hello world / and then we'll do hello.cpp. And then if I hit ls, my hello.cpp has disappeared from EECS-183, but if I go into hello world by using cd hello world, I can see that my hello.cpp got moved to here. If I want to make a copy of hello.cpp, I use the command cp, and then I type in hello.cpp. This is another place where you want to put in an argument of where you want the copy to go. So I want to move it into the current folder, so I'm going to do // and then hello a.cpp. And if I hit ls, you can see that now there's a copy of my hello.cpp called helloa.cpp in the current hello world folder. If I wanted to create a copy in the parent folder, which was the EECS-183 folder, I would do cp, so copy, hello.cpp, and then I would do 2 dots, because that indicates parent environment, /hello b.cpp. And just to double check, we don't see that in our current directory, which means that it was created in our parent directory.